Hello and welcome to this video in which we will go through the process of importing your already created Jamboard files into Figma to be able to access and edit in the future. I am Kyle Krenz, a technology integrationist with SWWC. As you may already know, Google Jamboards are going away. In October of 2024, your current Google Jamboard files will become view-only files, which means you will be able to open the files, but will be unable to edit them. At the end of the 2024 calendar year, your Jamboard files will be inaccessible in their current form. Google will automatically create PDF files of the Jamboards before the end of the 2024 cutoff and store them in your Google Drive. However, what if you wanted to continue to use and edit your already created Jamboard files after the cutoff dates by Google? A great alternative option is Figma Education, which allows you to create FigJam boards for your classroom. FigJam boards are design whiteboards with many of the same tools you had in Jamboard with a few additions, such as being able to import your previously made Google Jamboard files. You will first need to set up a Figma Education account by Google searching Figma Education, then creating your account. There is a free and subscription-based account. To be able to import your Jamboards, you can use the basic free account. Once logged in, on your homepage, you will see in the upper right-hand corner an import button. Click on this, and it will give you an option to import files from your computer device or import Jamboard files from your Google Drive. In our case, we will import from our Google Drive. Once you click on that side, you will need to link your Figma account to your Google Drive. Once you link your Google account with your Figma account, you will be able to choose which Jamboard files you would like to import. Once you click on the file, click the Select button. This will allow the downloading of the file into your Figma account. Once uploaded, it will file a box thumbnail in which you can click to open. Once open, you can edit the file by adding additional images, text, drawings, shapes, among other features. It is important to note that some of your imported files may look different once uploaded. You may need to enlarge the images or slide pages to make it properly formatted. Finally, it is important to remember to complete your imports before the end of 2024. If you do not, your Google Jamboard files will be saved as a PDF in your Google Drive and will change some of the interactive features of the original file. In this short video, you have learned how to import your current Jamboard files to create a FigJam. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration Team. Thank you for your time and attention.